In this video, I'm going to show you how to register and install ATAS. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to atas.net, and over here, it's going to say start for free on your first site. So click on start for free, and then you want to click on create an account over here where it says free start. So click create an account, go to registration, and enter in your email. So I'm just going to edit in your email or my email over here. There we go. And what you want to do is you want to click on that you read and accept the terms of use, etc. And if you want to receive the special offers, click on that as well. So you want to press continue after that. And after you've pressed continue over here, as you can see, you've successfully registered. Now, the second thing you should do, of course, you have to confirm your email to activate your account. So simply go to your email. You're going to see a button in there, which is going to say basically something along the lines of confirm email and download ATAS. And after you do this, you'll be able to see that your account has been basically verified. So let me refresh this. There we go. It's now verified. And you want to click on download ATAS for Windows. Once you do this, it's going to get downloaded. Click on it over here. And to basically install it, it's going to pop up this window on your screen. Click I accept the agreement after you have read it thoroughly. Click on next. And then over here, click on next again. And then here, you can select the version you want to install. You can do the beta, the latest, or the stable. This is completely up to you. I'm going to do the latest right now. Click on next. And then there we go. As you can see, the installation process is going to start. And therefore, ATAS will be installed to your computer. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.